me in your life until the night is over. I'll know you so tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride, but every single moment you were there by my side. You make me feel low.
Hello, hi, hello, hi, hello. You guys, I just finished filming. I filmed 2 videos now. I filmed one with my boss, well, my ex-boss. She's no longer my boss. But, and then I just filmed a random rant about like dating and talking about rubbish. But because it's like Valentine's season, I was like, oh yeah, of course, like I'm going to talk about it. You know, I know that's not really the type of thing I talk about on this channel, but it's like, you know, we're experimenting every and anything possible. And I also feel like maybe you guys don't know enough of my personality on this channel. I don't like doing vlogs. I say it all the time that I'm doing a vlog, so I'm going to stop. But yeah, I don't know what this thing is even going to be. Is it a night routine? Is it a... But I'm in a nice hotel, you know? Nice, in quotes. But like, I'm in a hotel, I'm not at home, and I'm like, might as well. Do you know what I mean? Might as well. Okay, I feel like I should film one more video, but I'm also feeling like, am I pushing it? Do you know what I mean? I don't know. Yeah, I'm also on the phone. Yeah, I don't know what I'm going to do. I'm just going to like shower. I don't even know if I'm continuing this thing. The thing about it is I'll pick up the camera and be like, oh, let me do a vlog, and then I'll forget. Especially if I don't think like it's a like fun vlog, like not a travel vlog. I love to make travel vlogs, but you know. But let me show you guys around this hotel anyway. It looks cool. Let's go. This is the bathroom. This is the bathroom. This is what it looks like. It looks nice. I haven't done anything. Hello, you guys, look at my nails. Oh my god. Look at my nails. Oh my god, they look so pretty. Oh my gosh. Do you see how pretty it looks? Let me show you the other one. Do you see how nice? It looks so good. Guys, I just finished filming. I feel like I've done the whole rant before, but I think I'm going to do like a get on ready with me. Like, you know, this is me getting on ready because I'm not at home. And when you're not at home, you sort of have vim to film. Do you know what I mean? So yeah, that's what I'm going to do. This top is from Montclair, but I got it from ASOS. You know how like other brands can sell on ASOS, but I got it from ASOS. It's so good. It's very warm as well. Like I'm not wearing anything underneath and I feel very warm. Yeah. These trousers are from Bershka. They are old. And then my shoes, oh, wait, my shoes, I need to focus, are like the All Stars, Converse All Stars. Yeah. You see the thing, I know how to edit short vlogs, but when they get too long and they're not travel related, I get like bored. Teach me how to do. Teach me how to do. Oh, everybody does. Everybody does. Okay, bye. Let me get ready. I feel like you can see the outfit better here. Right? This is the shoes. My legs hurting. These are the shoes. All Stars. And then this is the girl. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. And then regular hotel things. Ciao. This is the wardrobe. That's my bag. And then this is another like wardrobe. And then this is hotel things. That's my suitcase. This is the room. This is the room. Yeah, like there's not much really. So, oh, the bathroom. Like this, the toilet. I feel like I'm swinging this thing too fast, but yeah, like that's essentially it. I'm going to get ready, do my nighttime skincare routine. See, I'm breaking out. I feel like it's because I touched my face a lot today, which I shouldn't have done. So I'm going to do my skincare routine and then I'll see you guys when I'm having dinner. Okay? Okay. Bye. Hello. So essentially what is happening now is that I'm changing rooms because the sink is not draining at all. And it's a minor inconvenience, but hang on. It is a minor inconvenience, but I don't care. I'm changing the rooms. Also because it's like I have time. I can change the rooms. Yeah, that's what's happening. It's a minor inconvenience, but actually it's not a minor inconvenience because I want to do skincare on this sink. Like when I finish showering, I want to come out and be able to like do my nighttime skincare routine and show you guys. So they are changing my room. So yeah, that's where we're going now. We're going to the new room. Hopefully it will be better than this room. I hope. If it's not better than this room, I don't know. Then I tried. They say take risk and succeed. So yeah, okay. Bye. See you in the next room.
It's in my bitch, say she had bad. Anytime I knock with that. No rubber band, no rubber band. Every time I put down, they show me that. If I know pull out, she got my back. Although you cool, I'm happy that. Although you cool, say everything I do is for my woman. Anything I talk, where you talk, I go do. Me, I know they see another girl for my visuals. Loving you, now in my ritual. Say everything I do is for my woman. Anything I talk, where you talk, I go do. Me, I know they see another girl for my visuals. Loving you, now in my ritual. You see my bitch, say she had bad. Anytime I knock with that. No rubber band, no rubber band. Every time I put down, they show me that. If I know pull out, she got my back. Although you cool, I'm happy that. Although you cool, say everything I do is for my woman. Anything I talk, where you talk, I go do. Me, I know they see another girl for my visuals. Loving you, now in my ritual. Say everything I do is for my woman. Anything I talk, where you talk, I go do.
I actually don't know how I feel about being on the ground floor. I feel like I preferred the one upstairs. Should I change it back? I feel like it's a lot of stress because now I'm downstairs and I hate it. This thing is also still the same here. Hello. I know that I said, guys, after all this room pee, forgotten what I was even saying. What was I saying? I'm trying to transfer the clips now, and also I'm reviewing like a video that I want to go out. I don't know when this one is going to go out, to be honest, but there's one going out tomorrow. I'm a bit skeptical about that video because it's not typically the type of thing that I will film. I don't know. It's giving like, I don't know. Oh, this is what I'm actually looking for the menu, and this is about sleep, bedtime routine. This is the only other thing here. Do they not have food? Something here. No. Anyhow, like I was watching a video that I want to upload, and then what else am I even doing? Private. Yeah, I was watching a video that I think is almost ready to be uploaded, but it's not yet time. I'm still like reviewing it to see if I like it like that. I don't know.
In school that have taken me by surprise, and I'm sorry, and I know that this may come as a shock or maybe not what you're expecting.
I feel like
it's very badly behaved.
I don't know.
Corporate work, because in school maybe if you don't submit,
I don't know, Sha, but my focus this with like moving forward is creating videos that spark joy. That's what I'll say. Not a lot of videos are sparking joy for me these days, so that's what I'm trying to create more of, like videos that just make me happy. They don't have to fit like the niche, because I feel like with this niche P, I've just put myself in a box. It is true that in a niche you can grow a lot faster, but to be honest, outside of a niche you can still thrive. It's just going to be a lot more difficult. That's what I'll say. Yeah, that's where I'm at. Sorry, my mind is just everywhere because I need to order food, but then the thing is I'm not seeing any paper to order food, and I'm tired. I need to shower. I'll show you guys my nighttime skincare routine, and maybe anything we gist about. You guys, I'm just trying my best. I'm just a girl. I am literally just a girl. I am just a girl. I'm trying to look over the clips for the videos we took this evening to see if I like them. They are cute. They are cute videos. They are cute pictures that I got, but I don't know. I'm trying to think and see if we got good thumbnails as well, because the thumbnail can make or break your video. Man, God, I beg. I hope nobody's scratching me. I feel like I need to shower. Anyways, yeah, thank you so much. I'll go and shower, then do my nighttime skincare routine with you guys, then eat, then we'll wrap it up. Tomorrow. I'll go to work. Yeah, thank you.
Until the night is over, I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride, but every single moment you were there by my side. Whenever I'm around, you make me feel low. Whenever I'm alone, you're there for my soul. Wherever you are, girl, that's where I call my home.
I'm trying to come to wake up tomorrow. Man, I'm magical. Magical. Let us do my nighttime skincare routine. First of all, child, let us take this bonnet away. Away with her. Drop. The first step in my skincare routine is double cleansing. I use this oil cleanser first, and then I wash it off. Then I use the Nokware Need for Neem Black soap. Outside of the shower, I then exfoliate. This is the Alpha H Liquid Gold exfoliating toner. I also use the Paula's Choice BHA1. It just depends. If you follow me on TikTok, you have seen that other skincare routine, but typically this is what I do. I double cleanse, then exfoliate, then moisturize. And when you're using your skincare, please put it everywhere. I make sure to put it on my neck, even inside my ear. You see how I'm making sure to get the back of my ear as well. Very demure. Then this moisturizer, honestly, this moisturizer, it is the bomb.com. It's expensive, but it is very nice, very lovely for my barrier repair. Like, it really healed my skin because I have like 2 exfoliating steps. Like, I chemically exfoliate with the oil and then the toner as well. I need something that will be nice to my skin barrier, and this Tatcha Dewy cream is so good. It is so worth the price, but the price is not a joke, to be honest, at least for me personally, but it's worth the investment. I make sure to rub it in, and then the next thing I use, the final thing I use is this Egyptian Magic, that is what it is called, but I just put it into this travel size container. I put it as a lip balm. I typically use it as like I used to use it before to seal my moisturizer, but this Tatcha moisturizer is so good that I don't need to seal it anymore. Like, I don't need an oculant, I believe that's what it's called, I'm not sure. Then I use my E45 lotion because it's winter and my skin gets dry. That's all. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this was helpful. Guys, I'm so tired and I'm cold. I need to figure out where to put it. There's no place to put it beside where I'm eating, which is annoying. Honestly, would have been would have banged to just have heating while I'm eating. Just so nice.
You did interject multiple times.
I wanna be in your life until the night is over. I don't know